Hey y'all, and how's everyone today? We are doing well. Thank you for asking. So, we got all of these groceries from our good neighbors, Ronaldo and Yvonne from 40 Acres in the Fort. Go check them out on YouTube. They're excellent. Y'all see all these groceries? We about to throw a couple of these things on the grill. And we got some good old calypsos. Check us out. While homesteading, it's good to have neighbors who are willing to barter so that way you can get things done on your homestead. So we appreciate our neighbors because we're able to do that. Thank you for teaching us how to live like our ancestors. Hey y'all, how y'all today? So I noticed that I don't think that I properly introduced myself on my channel. My name is Shay, and I am Mrs. Ben Chaser. And so I just wanted to give y'all a quick introduction of who I am and show y'all a couple things. My bad, I'm new to this. Be a second. About to grill. It's a nice day today to grill. It's only about 74 degrees, so it's actually a perfect day. And the wind isn't blowing as hard as it normally do. So we're gonna take the time and take advantage of the day. My honey prepared the charcoal. Put some lighter fluid on it. I guess so, season. And then he got the grill on the stand here. Have an even surface for when he grills. Got the outdoor kitchen here. And we have our extra cooking utensils right here. We got and we got the the grilling tools. Alright, so I'll be back once we start grilling. Oh, you got my honey out here at night on the grill, shuffling it up. Thanks to Ronaldo and Yvonne. Thank you very much. Our good neighbors. They blessed us. They knew that this was going to come in handy. Boats in the heat, every hard day under my feet. Hold steady, hold deep. I learned the long way what I keep. Iron home, stand through the storm. Iron home, built to hold me warm. Iron home, won't bend, won't fall. Look at that chicken, y'all. Look good. And that steak. Big piece of steak. Door on the hinge, rust on the line. Still it opens every time. Dust on the glass, tracks in the red. Nothing I love will ever be dead. Hold steady, hold deep. I learned the long way what I keep. Iron home, stand through the storm. Iron home, built to hold me warm. Iron home, So that's what we use to season the chicken. Little lemon pepper, garlic powder, some seasoned salt, parsley, and onion powder. And we made barbecue chicken. So my honey basted with some barbecue sauce, hickory, and brown sugar. I'll put the links to these different seasonings down in the description. Check it out if you want to support the channel. Thanks. Here's dinner.
Come on and grab a seat. Yeah, we out in the desert, but we eating good tonight. Let's go.
So we got Ben here fixing the faucet to the sink.
Switch it. I guess it was broken. It was broken. Yeah.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
Hmm.
No, nothing. Alright. It's just pointing out the meticulous differences in the managerial approaches. Oh, it's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
We should eat you. We should eat you.
Copyrighted material.
I am the copyright, girl. That you knew.
Mm-hmm.
Got my dream chaser with me. Yeah, the table is set. Best food in the valley, you can place a bet. Feeding him and our daughter, making sure they're right. Nothing but love on the menu tonight. We cooking it up fresh and brand new.
Okay. Where these came from, this one and it's back there. And this one, you can see where it connects. And I thought it was going to be some RV juice. What do you call it? I keep calling it RV juice. Antifreeze that come dripping out of there. But it seems to be dry, so we must have got it all out with my, I don't know, outside fittings and up and up, put them in a bucket. Let them drop in the bucket. And these came off of here. So these were the supply lines, and these were the supply feeds. And you can see they're cruddy and dirty and nasty. No sanitization was going to clean that either way it goes. So we got some brand new fittings attached, as you can see. These are brand new. This is brand new. The only thing that's not brand new is this the supply lines. And we got them hooked up right. This is cold. This is hot. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go outside and turn the water on. See what it looks like. It's a nice looking sink. Faucet. A nice. Oh, I forgot to get silicone. I'll get some. I got Sikaflex. I just need a new grease gun. But yeah, it is all hooked up. I'm about to go outside and turn the water on, and we shall see what happens. Got to turn the water pump on too, and then change the diverters. But we got to start somewhere, so here we are.
Cooking it up, fresh and brand new. Baby, it's off grid and on the menu. Stirring the pot, making the flavor ring true. Yeah, it's off grid and on the menu. From the soil to the plate, we showing you how. Grab a seat at the table, we serving it now. Yeah. Gather around the fire when the evening cools. Out here in the wild, we make our own rules. Seasoning it right, smelling good in the breeze. Cooking up a feast by the mesquite trees. Got my dream chaser with me, yeah, the table is set. Best food in the valley, you can place a bet. Feeding him and our daughter, making sure they're right. Nothing but love on the menu tonight. We cooking it up, fresh and brand new. Baby, it's off grid and on the menu. Stirring the pot, making the flavor ring true. Yeah, it's off grid and on the menu. From the soil to the plate, we're showing you how. Grab a seat at the table, we serving it now. A pinch of the hustle, a dash of the dream, working together, the ultimate team. 100 degrees outside, but we keeping it cool, turning desert dust into a jewel. 'Cause we cooking it up, fresh and brand